morning, everyone. Today I'm glad to be here to introduce our company and our product here. Our company is a paper product factory which is specializing in rigid box, round box, foldable box, corrugated box, and paper bags for 17 years experience. And we are mainly today I would like to introduce 4 products for you. I will introduce them one by one. The first box is a drawer box, which is made of 900 paper board, which is covered special paper on the paper with a paper board, and in the front we have a gold foil logo here, and the outline is embossed. On the bottom of this box, there are 4 gold foil logo here to make this box more shiny. And in the box, we also have a special paper here, and inside is black card paper. For the insert, we glue EVA foam here, and with special paper seam with paper materials to make the box more elegant, and I cut a hole to hold the small box here, and here is like a hat. We can place this hat into this box to protect the inner product. Here is a ribbon. You can easy to handle it, to open it, and then here is a ribbon. You can open this drawer box easily. This is all information for this drawer box. For next one, it is a 2 pieces box, which is made of 2 millimeter paper board. We use coated paper as paper materials, and then we have a CMYK printing on this box, and then mat to protect the color for this printing. For the inside, we also use coated paper. Let me check the color. The inner box, the color is a pattern color, and then matte lamination to protect the color also. And for the insert, we have a foldable card to combine them, and then put it into the box, and then fit in the customer's product. And for the customer's logo, we have a spot UV. We have 4 spot UV to make this brand more shiny. This is our information for this box. Sorry, here is a QR code, and they are also printing by CMYK. The last one is also a drawer box with a first one. The paper materials we use the coated paper and then print one panel color to print one panel color and then matte lamination and then add the texture on the paper and then full gold foil logo here to make this box more shiny. And here is a PVC window. We can see the inner product directly from this window. And the inner paper is art paper. And for this inner box, we use the same per section method with the outer box. It is also coat the paper and then printed one panel color, two panel color at the full gold foil on the left side and the right side. And inner box is also the same. For the insert, we use EVA foam. We glue the EVA foam on the bottom and with the paper material here to print a one panel color here to matte lamination and then add the texture here and then gold foil logo on this box. Here is a ribbon. You can easily open it. For last one box, it is a two pieces box, which is made of 2mm paperboard and then the paper material is coated paper and then print CMYK. The overall box is use the coated paper and then matte lamination. Print CMYK and then matte lamination. And for the box lid, here is a gold foil logo, and the inner paper it also have a gold foil logo. Sorry, I have to correct it. The inner box is one panel color here to and then do matte lamination to protect the color and the gold foil here. For the box base, we also have let me check the color. And one panel color and CMYK here to print the product introduction and then matte lamination. For the insert, we use the coated paper. We use the EVA foam here to, and then on the top of the EVA foam we have a paper. We have a coated paper here to print CMYK color to protect the printing color, and then die cutting 4 holes to handle the customer products. This is all information for these boxes. We can accept the customized products such as paper materials, printing, surface treatment. If you have any question, you can welcome to contact us at any time. Thank you for your time today.